Hinahanap mo ba ay kakanin na easy lang gawin, swak sa budget, few ingredients lang, patok pang benta, at pwede mo ding ibida sa mga handaan? Then this video is perfect for you. Today's video ay isang classic Filipino-Chinese kakanin naman ang gagawin natin. Gagawa tayo ng peanut tikoy rolls. So tara, let's get started. So first, we have here 1 cup ng roasted peanuts. Grind lang natin ito using food processor or blender. Kung wala namang food processor or blender, just put peanuts in a resealable bag or plastic and crush natin using rolling pin or kahit baso lang. So ganito ka Pinoy yung gusto ko. Kung gusto mo naman na crunchy, ay wag ito masyadong durugin. Set aside muna natin ito para mamaya. So next ay i-prepare muna natin yung ating molder na gagamitin. Ito ay aluminum tray, 5x4 by 1.7 inches ang gamit ko. Nag-brush lang ako ng margarine o margarine para easy lang ito yan mold mamaya yung ating tikoy. Then, set aside natin ito and let's proceed naman to our tikoy mixture. So, in a bowl ay combine lang natin ang 2 cups ng glutinous rice flour, half cup ng sugar, 1 1/4 cup ng water, and half cup ng condensed milk. Adjust the amount of sweetener according to your preferred sweetness, then mix well. Sinala ko ito muna ng isang beses just to ensure na smooth yung ating mixture at wala itong lumps. Next ay maglagay lang tayo ng mixture sa ating prepared molder, about 1/3 cup. Tansyahin nyo na lang kung gaano kakapal ang gusto nyo. Then cover and steam natin ito for 15 minutes over medium heat setting lamang. And after 15 minutes, this is done. Habang mainit-init pa, remove from molder, then slightly flatten our tikoy. Binalit ko pala ng cling wrap yung ating working area para iwas dikit yung ating tikoy. Now, add ubi halaya in the middle. Sa filling naman ay depende na sa inyo. Pwedeng peanut butter, yema spread, sliced cheese, or sweetened bongo. Marami tayong pwedeng pagpilian, depende na sa gusto nyo. Now, ay roll naman natin ito into a tight log to enclose and ensure the filling. Then, dredge tikoy rolls in crushed peanuts to fully coat and just repeat the procedure sa mga natitira pa nating tikoy. Pwede mo din ito i-cut into half kung mas bet mo na bite-sized pieces lang. And as easy and simple as that, meron ka ng sweet, soft, and chewy peanut tikoy rolls. It tastes like mochi at masarap ito as dessert or midday snack. At sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito at nabigyan ko kayo ng idea paano gumawa ng masarap na merienda na pwede ding pangbenta.